How to connect JIRA to Chpokify. On Dashboard, find Integration section and click JIRA button. Follow the instructions to quickly connect your JIRA. As an administrator, go to your JIRA, open Settings and click Products. Go to Application Links. Enter Chpokify address to the application field and press Create New Link. In the Link Applications window, paste Chpokify to Name field and choose Generic Application in the Type field. It's usually selected by default. Then press Continue. Chpokify line will appear. Click the pencil icon on the right. Choose Incoming Authentication. Go back to Chpokify integration page and copy consumer key, consumer name, public key and consumer callback link. Scroll down and press Save. The last step, copy your JIRA domain name and paste it on Chpokify page in the link field and press Link JIRA button. Press Allow and wait for JIRA to connect. Now let's create a new session to see how JIRA integration works. When adding stories, choose Integration tab. Go to your JIRA issues. In All Issues or through Search, select filters you need and press Switch to JQL. Copy the line. Go back to Chpokify, paste in JQL field and press Import button. Now you can see all imported issues in the session.